What's up, everyone? Today, by request, I am going to revisit this Cedrus brevifolia. If you go way back in the back catalog, you will see the last time that I worked on this tree, which I believe was about 3 years ago. And since then, I think I've actually trimmed it once, but maybe it's just been let to grow. It hasn't grown a whole lot, but it has been repotted, and it has some nice, beautiful spring foliage on it right now. So it's a lot further along as a bonsai than it was the first time that I worked on it, and that's really encouraging. So I'm gonna trim back a little bit, kind of remove some of the undergrowth to give it more of a cypressy kind of feel. Of course, it's not a cypress, but cedar kind of feel. And they're actually kind of similar if you look at the wild trees. And then just sort of try to decide, if there's anything extra here that I want to thin out to make it look a little bit more like a cedar. All right, so let's give this a little bit of a spin here. that was kind of a lot of fun actually, and I'm really happy with the result. Just basically a cleanup and touch-up wiring of the tree, but it's really coming along, and working on it this time has given me an appreciation of how the scale of this particular cedar is really desirable compared to, say, regular green Atlas cedars whose needles are a full inch long. Same thing with blue Atlas cedars, whereas these are about a 1/4 inch. So really nice species for a compact tree. And you know, I keep thinking to myself that this is a grafted cultivar, but I don't really see a graft. Like, it's possible that this is the graft, but it's also possible that it's not grafted. And I'm hoping to have some more brevifolias available to work on in the near future. That wraps up this update on the Cyprus Cedar. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.